Oh, that's a long question. That's a question which needs a lot of answering actually. The journey is almost 15 years old. It was all piecemeal approach, and nothing of. I the returns were would have been there, but it was not showing anything method in it. So I mean, it was just going from one end to the other without knowing where I am going.
Okay, and you were not really able to devote much time to your investing also earlier, I suppose.
No, not at all, not at all. I was just some messages, buy this, buy that. No, nothing scientific about it. As I've been mentioning before, it was a very wonderful discovery on my way driving back from Shimla to Delhi. I read that moneycontrol.com article. Got a very strong feeling that something is looking good here.
And then how did you have the confidence to actually go and subscribe to a product and then multiple products after that?
I thought this is the only chance I had in my life to do equity investing, which could build me a little substantial financial reserve for my future, where I can beat inflation. No greed. Obviously, the only reason was to beat inflation and to live my future with kind of feeling that okay, I'm able to beat the cost of living. And joined the live products. Found it very difficult to execute because I'm not very tech savvy. And then I met you. And it didn't work out how to go about doing it, and worked out in a way, in a way, and then finally the small case happened, and probably investing has never been the same, and she will never be the same. Yeah.
So now you are invested in many of our products, I believe.
Actually, 5 in my account, 5 in my wife's account, 3 in my daughter's account, and planning to invest 3 more in my other daughter's account. Surely.
Okay, so you are going all gung ho on weekend investing, and thank you so much for that.
No, Alok, it's not the question of gung ho. It's a question of simplicity, question of execution, question of hand holding, question of being there when in trouble, and you know the big trouble that I was in. So, and I handled it. And I mean, gung ho, I think is a small word. So that's it.
So going forward, I mean, do you have any suggestion in terms of how we can improve on our existing system, or feedback on communication, or your experience of using the products? Is there any area where you think you can help improve?
No, Alok, honestly not, because I have interacted with 3 people on investing advice. The communication, the hand holding, the sheer sharpness of things on Monday morning or Friday afternoon. I mean, there is hardly any margin for. I mean, you can devise ways of doing things better, but for an investor, I think nothing more. I mean, what else an investor wants finally? If the rebalance comes at 9:15, what does he want? I mean, you ask yourself that question as an investor. I mean, how many brokers or how many so-called marquee people will leave the message at 9:15? It hasn't worked. I mean, I don't think anybody is doing it. No. I mean, let's put record straight. This is not praising. This is simple facts on the ground.
So, in terms of your being with weekend investing through a downtrend also in 2018, so how was your experience of seeing your investment go down, and maybe your confidence in the system also getting shaken at that point, that I'm down 20-30%? Should I leave it or should I continue with it?
Exactly the opposite. I made up my mind. This is the time to go for it and go for the kill, which probably I did. So probably, drawdowns of 20% if somebody can't. And exactly as I've been saying, you've been mentioning, the behavior side is the way you handle it beautifully.
Yes.
The balance of the greed and fear, and I mean, you understand it. I mean, shall I say it? No, I think you understand it the best of the people that I've known. So if you're losing 20%, you lose the sleep. better not be there. And I think that is
That's good.
the biggest learning that any investor can have. And Alok, you put everything on that hub of yours that you mentioned, weekend investing hub.
Yes.
If somebody
yes.
looks into it, I mean, that should settle everybody's mind. What are we looking at?
That's fantastic
So
feedback.
for me,
My team will be very happy to hear that these new improvements have really helped people take the entire view.
I mean, if somebody worries at 20% loss and forgets about the CAGR, I think he has got it wrong. So for me, the only thing I can say is I'm not starting any new venture in my field. Weekend investing does it beautifully for me. So why should I bother?
That's great.
What else?
So Dr. Saab, I will not take more of your precious time. And
no, I will like to take more of your time actually.
And
I will
wonderful.
I'll never forget that lunch which lasted 6 hours. And I hope to do it one more time.
Sure. So
but now with a very different mindset.
Yes.
When I meet you next, my mind will be at a different level.
That's
Forget the returns, Alok. Convey the message to investors. The returns don't matter.
Yeah, that's what we are trying. Yeah. So if the strategy is right, and if your behavior towards that strategy is right, and if your allocation is good, I think the returns come as a byproduct. So don't have to chase it.
It's a byproduct, and in your case, it's a byproduct of a very huge kind. So let's do the journey, Alok.
Yeah. So
I'm inculcating this in my daughters too, actually, Alok.
Okay, great.
Hi, Alok. So they'll interact with you next time. I'll take the back seat.
Okay, great. So thank you so much, Dr. Saab. We'll end it here and have a great day, and thank you so much for your time.
Sure.
Okay, thank you.
You keep healthy and keep doing the behavioral side. I think the focus should be on the investment as a behavior side.
Yes.
I mean,
You're
how
absolutely
does it matter I buy HDFC? How does it matter I buy HDFC Live or ICICI Pru? It doesn't matter.